Hello, sophomores. I am Mrs. Holloway, and I'm here to help you navigate video number 2, talking about registration and schedule selections. So, first things we're going to do is you're going to see that this is a Mosaic High School website. We really want you to become beyond familiar with this. You are then going to click on Future 11th Grader tab here, which will then take you to this page. This information above is important and it's great for you to share with your parents, but we're going to focus on the actual registration selection portion. You would click here and it'll take you to our curriculum guide. This is going to be what I'm going to have you navigate and help you. What we would like for you to do is for you to sit with your parents and go through these classes so that as a team, you guys can figure out classes that fit what you want to do after you leave high school. Your check it with your high school and beyond plans, and I'll show you those pieces too. You're looking at a multiple amount of things to make sure that you're taking the courses you want for your junior year. As you can see that this is our table of content, and it will allow you to kind of just click on classes that sound like they're interesting to you. What you will be utilizing is what we're going to be looking at though is this page right here. So as you can see that this is the page that gives you what are your options for English. You can either do English 11 or you can do AP Lang. What is AP Lang? You can click on here for that course description and it'll take you straight to AP Lang, where you can figure out if that is truly what you want to take next school year. It gives you the description. It tells you what the prerequisite. This is where you're at. Actually, I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry. This is the description, AP Lang, your English 10. And it kind of breaks it down by, is it 1 semester, is it 2 semesters, and all of that stuff that you were learning in video 1. What we want you to also toggle to is your high school and beyond plan. You can find that right here on the same page, high school and beyond plan, and then it'll look like this. This is your Skyward login information, but then it's going to look like this. And so you should have already been putting information into your high school and beyond plan. This student has talked about, who is she? What does she want to become? How will she become that? Where does she want to go? What are her plans? She's got her goals going for her. All of this is information that you're plugging in. But the other part that I want you to look at is this part right here. What classes have you taken? What classes are you enrolled in? What classes are you planning on taking? It looks like this student has done a lot of good work. She's been playing with her high school and beyond plan, and it looks amazing. She knows what she wants to do in the next 4 years. Those of you who don't know, that's okay too. You're going to use this. This is a little map. You can map out what you want to do your junior year and what you want to do your senior year, so you can start kind of figuring out the next 2 years of your high school career. We have samples that you can look at if you're unsure what is available to you. This is a junior year sample. Obviously, you have your English and your Algebra 2 and history and PE and whatnot, but you can also have an array of electives. You can choose to do CTE, you can choose to do choir or band, you can choose to do some art classes, but this is where you get to type it in. So you say, I'm going to do AP Lang A, and then you're going to put in AP Lang B. And then you fill out the rest of this just for you and your parents to kind of get a look at. I would encourage you to maybe do senior year kind of like our student that did it on here already. She already knows what she wants to be doing. The other thing to consider is Skyward. So you're going to use Skyward as well, because this is really telling you exactly what you've taken and what you still need. So we're going to take a look at Johnny Be Good. We're going to look at his graduation requirements. I want to caution you and be aware that you cannot do this on your phone. You must use a computer. So Johnny Be Good is a sophomore, and you're looking at the total up here highlighted. He has completed 9.5 credits. He is currently enrolled in 3, and he needs 13.5 to graduate from Moses Lake High School. This is a good number. You're in good standing. Now, if you go down this, you have this red section is the one that you're really looking at. Okay, obviously he's going to need more English. There's going to be more math, even though he's finished his third math as a sophomore. He's going to continue to take math every year. Colleges expect that. As a school counselors, we really, really push that that is what you're doing. You do not want to take a year off of math. So yes, another math, even though technically it looks like he's done. There is some science, there is some history, there is art. Looks like the fulfillment of art is almost at the end. And so you're really kind of breaking down each of what does the student still need in order to be on target to graduate with his class. Okay, so what are the things that you're looking at? You're looking at skyward, at your high school and beyond plan. You're looking and playing with and really, really focusing your energy on curriculum guide. Hopefully you all listened to and went to the curriculum night in which teachers shared their classes and the passion that they have in those classes. So if you did that, that's awesome. We really want you to start questioning, what is my career goal and how can I tie the classes that I take at the high school? How can I ensure that I'm taking all the things that I need in order to be successful?